Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Blockster.gg review. So you might be wondering, what is Blockster.gg and what does it actually do? So Blockster.gg here is an online marketplace for Roblox in-game items, with Murder Mystery 2 or MM2 being one of its main categories. Now, the website does mention or does say that it was formerly known as MM2 Land and now offers items for games such as Adopt Me, Steal a Brain Rot, and Grow a Garden 2. Now, for MM2 here, so if you try visiting one of them, so the store offers items including godly knives, guns, chromas, ancient items, pets, collectibles, bundles, and the website says you can purchase the exact item you want instead of obtaining it through normal trading or unboxing here. Now, how to exactly use the website here? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to start browsing the item or the collection that you want to buy from. So, for example, you have MM2 here. So, in this case, you want to go and just choose the item. Click on the Add to Cart button here. And once you've added this to your cart, you can go and just click on the checkout at the bottom right, and then provide the necessary information and required delivery information, such as your Roblox username. And the website says you should never provide your Roblox password, only your username. Now, from then on, you just need to proceed with the checkout here by providing the payment details, as you can see right now. So, after payment here, Blockster provides instructions for claiming the items through an automated in-game delivery system. Now, the site says here delivery is normally completed within minutes, although its current notice says MM2 deliveries and claims may temporarily be slower than usual here. So, in this case, you may want to take that in a note in here. So in this case, you could also visit their actual how to use page here if you want to learn more about it, how to claim your order here. So they do have provide a full walkthrough of the claim process as well. So you can go and click on the necessary link available in their website. So yeah, if the delivery here or if the delivery bot doesn't add you, Blockster instructs you to confirm that you've clicked the added the bot button on the claim page that you're logged into the correct Roblox account. So if you have an issue, the site provides customer support through live chat and email. So if you want to basically reach out to them or get some help, you can also click on the help at the very bottom, very top here, and click on the contact us page, and you can go ahead and basically contact them. As you can see, they do have some notice here about delivery being slow or paused temporarily. But yeah, you can go and just provide your details, your name, your email, and message, and you can go and just reach out to them via this way. Now, in this case, the website says payments are processed through a third-party payment processor, and the Blockster does not collect or see your payment information. So, in simpler terms here, Blockster.gg lets you choose an MM2 item from its online catalog, pay for it, and then follow the provided Roblox in-game claim instructions to receive the item. Now, depending on what you're buying from them, instructions may be different. So that's why referring to the email or whatever instruction that you're going to receive for the game or item that you're going to receive is the necessary step here in order for you to claim those items. So yeah, so in this case, because you're purchasing digital in-game items, doing your own research on the exact item, price, delivery process, and refund policy here before purchasing is recommended. And also, if you're someone under 18, you may want to ask your parent here for some assistance from in purchasing from their website, since this again provides you or requires you to provide certain payment information here, which is highly confidential. So again, asking for a parent to for some help to buying from their website, or again researching the website, is always recommended. Now, the website also states that the refund eligibility here can depend on the order status and item type. So not everything in here in the website is able to provide you some refund just in case you made a mistake. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.